First, we have to multiply the signs. Remember, anytime there is not visible sign next to the variable or number, there is always positive sign. Positive times negative gives me negative. 7 times 8 is 56. And I have to copy x, y. This is the solution for my problem. Next, I have multiplication. Remember, anytime I multiply numbers with the same base, I'm supposed to keep the base and add exponents. That's why I copy the base, which is 10, and add exponents. I have 5 plus negative 3. This is going to be equal 10, and I have 5. Positive times negative is negative. This is equal 10. 5 minus 3 is 2, which is simply equal 100. This is the solution to my second problem. Let's take a look at the third example. Anytime you have two expressions inside of the parentheses next to each other, it means that we have to multiply them together. Remember, anytime there is no sign, there is invisible multiplication sign. We have to multiply the signs first. Negative times negative will give me positive. Anytime I have positive expression, I don't write positive sign. 9 times 2 is 18. And I have a times a. Remember, anytime there is no exponent, there is always invisible one. Anytime we multiply the variables with the same base, we're supposed to keep the base and add exponents. I have 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. That's why I'm going to have 18 a to the second power. This is the solution to my problem.